Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I'm excited. Are you looking for a powerful carpet cleaner that goes beyond surface stains? Let's take a closer look at Shark's new StainStriker lineup, the PX200, PX250, and PX251. We're going to tell you everything you need to know to choose the right one. All three models share the same core technology. They use Shark's innovative dual chemical cleaning system known as StainStriker. Two separate cleaning solutions are mixed at the moment of use, delivering a chemical reaction that attacks tough stains like coffee, red wine, pet messes, and embedded dirt. Each model includes a high-speed motorized brush roll, deep cleaning suction, and heat force drying, meaning faster drying times after cleaning. They are designed for both spot treatment and full room cleaning with multi-surface capabilities for carpets, rugs, and upholstery. The PX200 is the entry model. It comes with an 800 watts motor, a 1.1 liter clean water tank, and 0.7 liter dirty water tank. It features dual tank separation, removable brush roll, and auto mix detergent control, all in a compact, easy to carry body. This product is recommended for small households, apartment dwellers, or anyone looking for simple, effective carpet cleaner without extra tools. Step up to PX250 and you get the same cleaning power but with added convenience. This one includes everything from the PX200 plus a crevice tool, a pet stain trapper, and Shark's odor neutralizer solution for targeting lingering smells. It also features a slightly larger 1.25 liter clean tank and a better grip handle and tool storage built into the base. This particular model is recommended for pet owners, busy homes, or anyone who deals with frequent accidents or deep odors. At the top of the range is PX251. It builds on the PX250 and adds Shark's advanced StainStriker handheld wand with boosted pressure and targeted spray for tough to reach areas. It comes with an expanded 1.3 liter clean water and improved ergonomic handle and onboard storage that is more organized and secure. This particular model is recommended for large families, multi-pet homes, or those wanting the full-featured experience for stains, car interiors, and upholstered furnitures. All three models are equipped with a long 3-meter power cords, 2-meter flexible hoses, and easy empty tank. They are all compatible with Shark's proprietary StainStriker dual solution system, and it is important to note they are not designed for use with third-party solutions. These are not for hard floors. They are specialized for soft surfaces only. These carpet cleaners deserve your attention, so go with the PX200 if you need reliable, no-frills performance, or you can choose the PX250 for extra tools and odor fighting power. Finally, you can pick PX251 if you want maximum cleaning reach and comfort with every feature Shark has to offer. Thank you very much indeed.